Hello guys, I want to give a brief introduction about this Azure Data Engineering real-time program. So what is the agenda of this Azure Data Engineering a real-time program, a job assistance program? So the eligibility for this program is the people who are all completed the Azure Data Engineering training, or if you are completed at least 50% of the program, then you are eligible for this program. So what are the things we are going to cover in this training? It's like a 40 hours duration of this job oriented program, real time program. In this program, the key highlights are we have prepared 100 real time tasks. The extraordinary complex scenarios we have created from basic to advanced. Every student who enrolled for this program, they have to finish this 100 programs. The 100 tasks you need to complete. This is going to be 15 days it will take to complete, and 100 more interview questions and answers. We have prepared all these interview questions from the top MNCs when our students are attending. So all the questions we are bringing, and then we prepare these interview questions and answers. And parallelly you have to do a real-time project. There is an end-to-end project we have designed on the retail domain, so you have to finish this project as well. So the first 15 days you have to work on the 100 complex scenarios, and the next 15 days you have to work on the real-time project along with the 100 interview questions. The next 30th day onwards, we are going to conduct 10 mock interviews. The 10 mock interviews per day, one interview we are going to take. So we are going to group the people, like for every 5 people there is a team lead. So the team lead is going to take care of all your activities, what are all the things you are doing. If you have any issues, then he is going to take care of the issue resolution. So every day in the morning he will connect with you, and every day evening he will connect with you. In between, if you have any questions, if you are not able to perform a task, he will help you. If you are a working professional, then you can adjust your timings with our team lead also. As per your flexible timings, our team lead will connect with you. So this program is definitely will help you to crack the interview yourself, and it will give you a confidence for you when you are going to the office. When you are working in the real time scenarios, in the real time situations, you will get a pretty confidence on this one, because many students has completed the training, but they don't know the roadmap how to prepare for the job. We created a good roadmap for the people really who are looking for the jobs. This is going to help a lot further. So please enroll for this program. This program we are going to conduct on online and offline as well. So you guys can connect from the online also. These are the key highlights of this program. Don't miss this opportunity. This is going to be a 40 days program. So we are going to take care of all the real-time projects and resume preparation and all the complex scenarios and all the interview questions, and every day we have a stand-up calls as well. Our team leads will contact with you to take care of that, like what is the task you have performed, and you have to give the status call, because when you are working in the real-time projects, definitely every day you have a call with the clients. So this will give you a good experience how to speak with clients. Also, we were going to make email writing as well in this course. Okay, so I'm requesting everyone whoever completed this training already on Azure Data Engineering, or your training is already going on, so please enroll this program. Don't miss the program. Okay, thank you.